I see a huge danger looming over the entire planet.
And half of the world's largest lakes and reservoirs now contain less water than they did 3 decades ago. Less water in lakes and rivers means less water for human consumption, as well as for irrigation and industrial use.
I'm sure now in California, so many farmers are contemplating suicide because of their livelihood just being gone because water is not available.
By the most conservative estimates, over 40% of the world's population will be living in regions facing water scarcity by 2030. In major cities, water will be rationed, and its quality will steadily deteriorate. Epidemics will resurge, bringing back medieval diseases. The water crisis will lead to food shortages.
That's not all the difficulties. It's time to talk about second water-related problem.
Microplastic pollution has affected the entire planet. Scientists have discovered microplastics in clouds, groundwater, Greenland and Antarctic glaciers, on the summit of Everest, and in the deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench. Up to 25 million tons of micro and nanoplastics per year are transported for thousands of kilometers by oceanic air, snow, sea spray, and fog, while crossing countries, continents, and oceans.
Due to its specific composition, microplastics have a unique property. They disrupt the ocean's heat conductivity. And instead of removing heat, the ocean has become like a thick blanket for our planet. And the planet is exactly what needs to be cooled.
When wind, water, and heat come together, they acquire terrifying and devastating power. And we are witnessing examples of such anomalous occurrences right now.
You're now standing on the edge of a cliff, watching the catastrophe approaching. Yet, you're doing nothing. And this is at a time when you already have the necessary technologies.
Atmospheric water generators extract excess moisture from the atmosphere, which accumulates due to the rising temperatures on the planet. Extracting water from the atmosphere by 70% solves the problem of exacerbating climatic phenomena.
We process ambient air. We filter it from, dirty stuff as well. For example, smog and flue gases and all, and sand and everything that flies around in the air, really.
AWG technology is environmentally friendly and beneficial for the planet.
I designed and developed the technology to a place where I can build an atmospheric water generator that can produce over 100,000 liters a day, 200,000 liters a day. It's not difficult anymore.
Atmospheric water generators can produce any required amount of water, including for industrial needs.
And suddenly the whole world has woken up to this saying, wow, this is a non-depletable source.